Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn voice. What is voice? Voice is that form of a verb that helps us to understand whether the subject of the verb is the doer or the receiver of the action. Voice. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? In the active voice, subject is the doer of the action. For example, Rani writes a letter. Who write a letter? Rani writes a letter. So, the subject is the doer of the action. What is passive voice? In the passive voice, subject is the receiver of the action. For example, a letter is written by Rani. So here a letter is the subject, but it is the receiver of the action. In active voice, the pattern is doer plus action plus receiver. Doer is the subject, action is verb, receiver is object. But in the passive voice, receiver plus action plus doer. So here receiver is the object and action is the verb, doer is subject. You already learnt what is tense and types. In present tense 4 types, past tense 4 types, in future 4 types. Totally 12 types of tenses is there. Before we could change active to passive voice, some important rules are there. That is, do not change the tense. Second one, the subject becomes the object becomes the subject. Third one, you must use past participle in passive voice. For example, drink, drank, drunk. Drunk is the past participle. Write, wrote, written. Written is the past participle. Likewise, you must use past participle in passive voice. Fourth one, you must use the word by in passive voice. Change of subject. This is active voice, this is passive voice. I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, he change into him, she change into her, it change into it, they change into them. Let's move on to the simple present tense. Before change into passive voice, you should give more importance to tense. In the first rule, I already mentioned it. Rani writes a letter. This sentence is active voice. A letter is written by Rani. This is passive voice. So here, Rani is a subject. Writes is a verb. A letter is a object. So in the second rule, exchange the position. So object come first, a letter. In the third rule, you must use by. So here, writes is a present tense. When you change into passive voice, is written. Why do we use is? Because writes is a present tense. In case the object is plural, for example, letters. So the answer, letters are written by Rani. So in passive voice, a letter is written by Rani. Next we move on to the past tense. Rani wrote a letter. Rani is a subject. Wrote is a verb, a letter is a object. In passive voice, a letter was written by Rani. Object come first, a letter. Why do we use was here? Because wrote is the past tense. So, was written. And the third rule, you must use by. A letter was written by Rani. So a letter is a singular. So we use was. Here letters, plural. So were. Letters were written by Rani. Let's move on to the simple future tense. Rani will write a letter. Rani is a subject. Will write is a verb. A letter is object. So don't change the tense first. The second rule, object come first. A letter. So will write is a future tense. So you change into will be written. And you must use by in passive voice. A letter will be written by Rani. Rani is a subject. In future tense, the object is singular and plural. We use same tense only. Will be written. In next video, we will see continuous and perfect tense. Thanks for watching.